Fefdy.
Addition using number line. By the way, do you remember number lines?
Yes, we learn number lines in the desert.
You are so smart, Dhanush. Let's use that number line to learn addition. Adding a number on the number line means we move forward on the number line to the right. Let's place those trees on the number line. Let's place numbers on these trees and use it as a number line. With the help of a bird, we'll perform addition using number line.
Example 1.
Let's add 3 to the number 2. In order to add 2 plus 3, the bird will start from 2 on the number line. To add 3, we'll count forward 3 times and the bird will jump 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Where is the bird now?
The bird is at 5.
That's right, kid. So 2 plus 3 is 5.
Example 2.
Can we add 31 and 5 using the number line?
31 plus 5? But Auntie, 31 is a 2-digit number. How do we add that on the number line?
Excellent question, kiddo. We'll continue the same way but with 2-digit numbers written on the number line. Oh, look at that tiger. It's trying to cross the river by stepping on those stones. Let's name those stones as the numbers on the number line. To add 31 and 5, we'll start from 31. So the tiger is standing on 31 and it has to jump 5 times to cross the river. So count along with me on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the tiger has crossed the river. Where is it standing now?
It's standing on 36.
That's right. So 31 plus 5 is 36 and we have helped the tiger cross the river.